Australia, land of amazing places where the vast landscapes stretch as far as the eye can see. From the arid deserts to the lush rainforests, this land is a treasure trove of natural wonders, and even more amazing animals. From hopping kangaroos to slithering snakes, the diversity of wildlife here is simply astounding. Each creature, big or small, plays a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of this ecosystem. Every animal has a job in this sunny place, whether it's the kangaroo grazing on grass or the snake keeping the rodent population in check. Each one contributes to the harmony of the outback. But few things are as cool as a sky full of bright pink galahs, also called pink cockatoos. These birds are a sight to behold, with their vibrant plumage lighting up the sky like a burst of color. These birds, whose fancy name is Yalophus rosacapilla, are everywhere in Australia. From the coastal regions to the inland deserts, they have adapted to a wide range of habitats. Their awesome pink feathers and gray crests make them easy to spot. The contrast of their bright pink bodies against the often muted tones of the outback makes them stand out even more. But don't think they're boring just because they're common. These birds are full of personality and charm. They are known for their playful antics and social behavior, often seen in large, noisy flocks. Galahs are full of surprises. They are highly intelligent and can mimic sounds, including human speech. Their playful nature and curiosity make them fascinating to watch. Their behavior is as interesting as how they look. From their courtship dances to their complex social structures, there's always something new to learn about these incredible birds. Come with me as we explore these awesome birds, their habits, where they live, and their undeniable charm. We'll delve into their daily lives, their interactions with each other, and their role in the ecosystem. Get ready to be amazed by the pink royalty of the outback. These birds are not just a pretty sight, they are a testament to the beauty and diversity of Australia's wildlife. So let's embark on this journey together and discover the wonders of the galah. Galahs can live almost anywhere, thriving in all sorts of places across Australia. From the dry outback to the beaches, these pink nomads are at home. They especially like open woodlands, grassy areas, and even parks and gardens in cities. These clever birds are good at finding food and shelter. You'll often see them looking for food on the ground, their gray crests bobbing as they hunt for seeds and bugs. Galahs are tough, and that's why they're everywhere. Whether it's super hot or cool and breezy, the galahs are fine. They're a true symbol of how tough Australian animals are, living and thriving in a land of extremes. Galahs are super social birds. These vibrant pink and gray parrots are native to Australia and are known for their playful and curious nature. They are often seen engaging in various social activities, from preening each other to playing games. Their social behavior is not just limited to their own species, they are also known to interact with other bird species, making them a fascinating subject for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts alike. They hang out in big noisy flocks of hundreds or even thousands. These flocks can be seen flying across the sky, creating a spectacular visual display. The sight of so many birds moving in unison is not only mesmerizing but also serves a practical purpose. By staying in large groups, galahs can communicate more effectively and coordinate their movements, which is essential for their survival. Imagine looking up and seeing the sky filled with a swirling pink cloud. That's the magic of a galah flock. This phenomenon is not just a random occurrence, it is a well-coordinated effort that showcases their incredible flying skills. Each bird in the flock knows its position and moves in harmony with the others, creating a seamless and fluid motion that is truly a sight to behold. These flocks aren't just for show. They serve multiple purposes that are crucial for the galah's survival. When they gather on trees or land in large groups, they are not only socializing but also keeping an eye out for potential threats. This collective vigilance helps them stay safe from predators and other dangers. Being in a big group keeps them safe from other animals that might want to eat them, and it makes it easier to find food. When one galah spots a predator, it can quickly alert the others, allowing the entire flock to take evasive action. Similarly, when it comes to foraging, the collective effort of the flock increases their chances of finding food. They often forage on the ground, searching for seeds, fruits, and insects, and their keen sense of sight and hearing helps them locate food sources efficiently. When one galah finds a tasty snack, the others are right behind it. This behavior is known as information sharing. where the discovery of food by one bird benefits the entire flock. It's a perfect example of how cooperation and social behavior can enhance the survival of a species. The gala's ability to share information about food sources ensures that even the weaker or less experienced members of the flock have a better chance of finding nourishment. It's a real nature show, a mix of squawks and chatter as these pink dynamos do their thing. Their vocalizations are not just random noises, they serve as a means of communication within the flock. Each squawk and chatter has a specific meaning, whether it's a call to alert others of danger, a signal to gather for food, or simply a way to maintain social bonds. The constant communication helps the flock stay coordinated and strengthens their social structure. They make the Australian landscape more lively, a reminder of how cool it is to live together. The presence of galas adds a splash of color and energy to the environment, making it more vibrant and dynamic. Their social behavior and cooperative nature are a testament to the benefits of living in a community. By working together, they not only enhance their own survival but also contribute to the richness and diversity of the ecosystem. So the next time you see a flock of galas, take a moment to appreciate the beauty and complexity of their social interactions. Don't think the chatter of a gala flock is just noise. These vibrant pink and gray birds are not just making random sounds. They are engaging in a complex form of communication that is both fascinating and intricate. When you hear a flock of galas, you are actually listening to a symphony of calls, each with its own purpose and meaning. These birds have a really cool way of talking to each other. Their vocalizations are not just for show, they serve specific functions that are crucial for their survival and social interactions. From the moment they wake up to the time they settle down for the night, galas are constantly communicating with one another. They use all sorts of calls, each with its own meaning. Some calls are used to signal the presence of food, while others are meant to warn the flock of potential dangers. There are even calls that help maintain social bonds within the group. Each call is unique and serves a specific purpose, making the gala's communication system incredibly sophisticated. There's a loud screeching call to keep track of each other in the flock. This call is essential when the birds are flying together, as it helps them stay coordinated and avoid getting separated. The screeching call is like a beacon, guiding the flock through the skies and ensuring that no one gets left behind. There's a softer, sweeter call for when they like each other, like a love song to their feathered sweethearts. This gentle call is often heard during courtship and bonding activities such as preening and snuggling. It's a way for galas to express affection and strengthen their relationships, creating a sense of harmony and unity within the flock. And don't forget the alarm call, a sharp, loud sound that tells everyone to run and hide when there's danger. This call is crucial for the survival of the flock, as it alerts the birds to the presence of predators or other threats. When a gala sounds the alarm, the entire flock takes immediate action, either by flying away or seeking cover. Figuring out what galas are saying is like cracking a secret code. Researchers have spent years studying these birds, trying to understand the nuances of their communication. By analyzing their calls and observing their behavior, scientists have been able to decipher some of the meanings behind the gala's vocalizations. However, there is still much to learn, and the study of gala communication continues to be a fascinating field of research. It shows us how smart they are and how they share information in their bird communities. The complexity of their communication system is a testament to their intelligence and social nature. By understanding the language of the galas, we gain insight into their world and the intricate ways they interact with one another. It's a reminder of the incredible diversity of life on our planet and the many forms of communication that exist in the animal kingdom. Galas eat all sorts of things, as varied as the places they live. Their menu is mostly seeds, fruits, nuts, and flowers. They love the seeds of eucalyptus trees, using their strong beaks to crack them open. But they also eat bugs, larvae, and even small lizards sometimes. They've been known to sneak into farms and eat crops, which makes some people think they're troublemakers. But hey, a bird's gotta eat. Galas are great at finding a feast. They're important for the environment too, spreading seeds and helping nature stay balanced. When winter comes to Australia, it's love time for the galas. Nesting season starts, and gala couples get together, often staying together for their whole lives. They find big holes in trees, high up to stay safe from other animals. Both parents take turns keeping the eggs warm, usually 2 to 6 eggs. When the baby birds hatch, they eat food their parents bring up for them. It's a busy time, with the sounds of baby birds chirping everywhere. Galas are great parents, making sure the next generation of these bright pink birds will survive.